Hey everyone, in this video we're just introducing the Cartesian plane or recapping over it. So we've had a couple of chats about it over the course of the year, and your job is going to recall it and plotting points on the plane. So to be successful, identify X and Y, plot points, and locate points based on information. Also labeling some shapes on the Cartesian plane. So here's your Cartesian plane. You've got your y-axis, which is your vertical one. Some people like to think of it as like the y has a long tail, so it goes up and down, and the x is your horizontal axis. Where those two lines meet is what we call the origin, or 0, 0, and then it goes infinitely in all directions. So positive, positive, negative, negative. So it's really helpful, like also with like your number line stuff. Just a bit of trivia. These are your quadrants, goes around anti-clockwise, first, second, third, fourth. And naming your coordinates. So remember, I always like to say you have to walk before you climb your ladder. So you've got to like move your ladder to where you need to go, and then you put the ladder down, and then you can climb up. That might help with remembering that X comes before Y. Some of the people just say X comes before Y in the alphabet, so it goes first. So pick one that suits you, or come up with your own little snazzy remembering way. So in this case here, we've got some coordinates. We named them. So that little green point there, we go across 2, 3, where those two lines meet is where that point is. That's where you can label it. Remember that it is infinite, and that there are points in between, like 0 and 1. So in this case here, it's like negative 1.5 and negative 2.5 are its coordinates, and you can place your coordinate anywhere on the Cartesian plane, and it can be located because everyone follows the same conventions. Righto. So plotting some coordinates here. X before Y. I'm going to use pink because I can, and so 4. I read X for Y, 3. And I'm just going to do that and call it A. Negative 1, so over here, positive 4, and that's B. 0, then negative 2, so going down. Yes, you can have stuff on the X and Y axis, that's C. 10 and positive 1. Oh, it doesn't like that. D, and negative 7 and 0. That's E. So your turn. What you're going to do is you're going to pause the video. I'm going to make that a little bit bigger for you. Not too big. Doesn't like that. Anyway, I will try and I'll leave that there for a moment, and then I'm going to flick it up. So you're going to draw your Cartesian plane, so from 0 to 5. Oh, that's an easy one. So just so it gives you some help, you're only having to draw like the first quadrant. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, and then up as well to 5. And then you plot your coordinates, and then you've got this one here as well. So give me a moment. So pause your video. Now you can see the whole question. Otherwise, go to your appropriate page numbers in your textbook. And don't forget to put those into your exercise book. Okay, thanks everyone. Stay awesome.